The SWE60E is a pioneer in infrastructure construction, focusing on high efficiency, intelligence, and reliability, making it suitable for various working conditions such as municipal, engineering, infrastructure, and agricultural water conservancy. The machine has an operating weight of 5,800 kg, an engine rated at 36.9 kW per 2,100 RPM, and a bucket capacity of 0.22 cubic meter. Powered by a Yanmar engine from a global recognized brand, the SWE60E features optimized low speed, turning for enhanced efficiency and reduced fuel consumption during low-speed operations. A 130-liter high-capacity oil tank ensures extended operation, meeting the demands of long working hours. The machine utilizes a low-sensing hydraulic system, delivering responsive and precise control performance. The main pump and motor with a large displacement delivering smoother and more powerful slewing and traveling performance. The traveling motors features an automatically high or low speed travel functions, allowed it to easily conquer the muddy terrain. Corrosion piping is provided as standard. The SWE60E features a distinctive E-series appearance, with maintenance and servicing easily accessible. The cab integrates centralized control, an expansive field of view, a suspension seat, and a 3D air outlet, taking the operator experience to a new level. The booms adopts a large box-type structure and an independently wide middle compartment process, which has been proven in the market to be sturdy and reliable. With a 2,690 mm by 2,000 mm substructure dimension, it provides superior stability beyond its class.